Sabai nan panjang, kuping sini yang carano, also pinang, ekip polisi. That's what. Please tell me, what is the intention coming here? So I can materially convey. All right. I come here to propose a daughter, Sabai nan Aluih. Since she has no mama, I would like to negotiate with you. If it is a repulsion, you need to wait. I need to talk to her mother first. As long as I get the answer, there's no trouble about us. I'll be waiting. Yes, there is. It is Randai nan panjang. He is the king in Pertunjukan. That's what kali his city has been here. It brings area for color credit.
Pardon me? You say that in panjang? Are you sure of that? Don't you think that he is too old for our daughter? We don't even have them.
I know him very well. He is my old man. We used to be closer when we were child.
So, you must exactly know who Randai Panjang is. He is the greedy one. He will do anything for things that he wants. That thing that happened to our daughter will just think about it. And one more thing. He has more than one wife. And now, he wants to propose our daughter who should be his granddaughter. You know, not to prove it. Although he is the ruler of Padang, he is the richest one, and he is titled. I prefer Pertunjukan ng Padang is my son-in-law. I don't the offer.
I get along with him. I also don't want him to be with our daughter.
Boleh hatinya sadung saribai, latina kari sabai, memang latina kandanan indah, sila comel, dalam hati,
how to capture by using that. And that's the item to the beach. Wow, wonderful. If she has to be so big, I'll make her unconscious by using poison. I'll do everything for His Highness Raja dan Padang. He has to get what he wants, so he feels satisfied. He doesn't have to make his case to be more complicated. I have said that I'm not proving Raja dan Padang so far. My daughter Sabai is still young. She doesn't deserve to get married. Now it's better for you to go there. Please tell Raja dan Padang in a book that his also has been rejected. If you think so, I feel unrelieved. I'm confused. I suggest you to make a discussion with me, so the decision can be accepted. Alright. I'm not afraid of it. I'll do it. My apology, Your Highness. Don't get mad at me. Bismillah. Shall I get the bowl?
Allah bajalan si deket kale mari orang 50 orang 50 inyo bajalan yo bagulang ben di mata
I've done what you asked me to do. Going to Padang Taruh. Radio Babantian Ho. Bringing sini Hancarano. Also with Pina. But I don't know what to say. I fulfill the request. But I have to say sorry. Your proposal has been rejected.
What? How dare this? Doesn't you know him? I am Raja dan Padang, the Lord of Payakumbuh. You must get back of this room. That's not happening. Where are the Padang? Take them here now!
Yes, Your Highness.
My apology, Your Highness. I urge order. I'm so shocked. My knees are shaking. I'm trembling. No, not too much. I'm going to make a Jawabandia. If something bad happens at all, I'll need your help. That's why I call you. You never said so! I have got what you mean.
Kababa
My dear son Mangutala, you talk about the 500. You know I'll give you whatever you want. Just remember what I say. You have to be careful. Be smart, make it correct, and never find a devil. But if they against you, you have to face it.
If you say no, I just better. I will always remember what you say.
My dear Dr. Sabai nan Aluih, why are you so gloomy? Are you sick? If you're sick, I'll find some herbal for you.
I had a dream last night. I dreamt our restore was back. We lost our buffalo. The top of our steer fell down. Our granary was sparked. I feel like there was something important in my life.
Don't worry. It is not like it is the indication of good things to happen. Look, I explain to you. If you drink the roasted oil, it means your brother, Mangutala, will be engaged. And if you lost our buffalo, it means our cattle will grow. And if the fall of our Syria fell down, it means our character will grow. And if the granary was burned, it means our harvest will rise. Services will be right.
I feel insecure, but I still keep going.
Yes, sir. I'm going to please, alone. I need to buy Syria and go on.
I don't want you to go, Father. I feel bad things will happen to you. But I can't forgive you. It will be wasted. All of it is hard for me. I have to let go.
Before I want to tell you something first. Please listen carefully. We live in 4 rules. The first is Kato Manda. It means how we get along with all of you. And the second is Kato Manda. How you get along with your friends. And the third is Kato Manda. How you get along with the younger ones. And the fourth is Kato Manda. How you get along with someone else. Furthermore, there are 4 types of girls. The first is Gadi Layang Layang. What he said Gadi Layang Layang is no care. If it is highway, she still goes. It means that she's the kind of wasteful. You shouldn't be that big. And the second is Gadi Langawijaw. She talks too much. She doesn't care whatever she talks, wherever she is and whenever it is. She talks without any purpose. You shouldn't be that big. And the third is Gading Ayang Pinanta. She likes listening to the sunrise. It means that she is a kind of lady. You shouldn't be that big. And the fourth is Gading Bakusaka. She is doing what a woman should do at home. Going somewhere as long as she still keeps the roof. And that is what you have to do. And one thing that I should tell you. If I don't go back, find me in Payapuni. Get the courage from your mother. Courage Bakusaku. And also Madhya Balansa.
I will remember every single word that you say.
Please stay near. I'll go to know what you've done? You will take a defeat because of that.
Raju Nanpan. Please don't get mad, please. Chill out. Let this go.
Your Highness, why did you think I'm wrong? You embarrass me. I feel so safe. How can I hardly say? So, it's better for you to let Sabai nan Aluih to be my wife. And unless you do, you will regret it later on.
You are disgusting. She even doesn't suit you. Don't you think that she should be a granddaughter?
You are so smart. Think about your friend, your wife will be a widow, and your children will be out. Just let me marry your girl. There will be no regret if you accept it, and everything will be alright.
Never. I will not let that happen. Face it first if you want to be my daughter.
That's what I want.
Simantang di pare putu jaraja di tanah taban kamana punai kainggo lain. Tampe bagantuang nala putui, tampe bapija nala taban kamano sabai magapai lain. Oi bulan terang laba usah bumi darai badaran. Oi Tuhan tolonglah usah kami carai bacaran. Dia tahu di sinan pangana mangkonyuilah. Ayana di bapantai landai nandi muaro kanyo jina urang mahuke di pantai Purui, di pantai Purui. Sabai manangisan sai josan sai tai bohati karena bapa tampe bagantung nalah putuh nalah putuh. Indah adisangko sirigo-rigo pipi sinandu yang makan pagi. Indah adisangko yang nambah-nangko ayah nan kandung tak pulang lagi. Rumah gadang sambilan ruang putinan duduk ate sarambi alang sakitnyo batenggang suran cando manantang si matoari.
Let's go there. What you go first? I'll follow you.
Although I don't want to know you, I can't resist you. Here is the scene of my life. But please, be careful.
Allah berjalan Sabai nan Aluih karibu kajian dan dahulu. Allah berjalan Sabai nan Aluih karibu kajian dan dahulu. Nabata muncul rajulan panjang namun kulit balik hati ayah. Allah lari lari sana namun kulit balik hati ayah. Tantangan nande rajulan panjang mencari sabayo dari jauh. Tantangan nande rajulan panjang mencari sabayo dari jauh. Hatinya kadang kadang hilang sentuhan para suka membunuh. Alang marilah sana sentuhan para suka membunuh.
My dear Sabai nan Aluih, I am looking for you everywhere. I have never thought we would meet here. Let's go to Bahasa.
Your Highness, Ferdinand Padang. I've been also looking for you. And surprisingly, we met here.
I have met many women, but I don't like them. I just love you. Not thinking about you. In my heart, there is only one, and it's you.
I've been also many men. But it is only you that I can see. However, you are so tricky. Playing on with me and my family. You betray your friend so that he died. My father's dead!
I don't have the intention to kill him. It was his destiny. I think it was a big deal if he died, as long as I stand by you. And I will be with you for the rest of my life.
Don't you ever think I will fall for you after what you have done to my father? There will be a revenge for any crime you did. Gold is paid by gold. Kindness is paid by kindness. Life is paid by life.
You and me are, and there are many sacred people in this world.
Even I am a woman. I'm not afraid of being dead, since my desire is fulfilled.
You are the son! Even your father was a sacred man, he died in his death.